Demystifying that and those, your guide to demonstrative determiners. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another engaging lesson. Today, we will be delving into an important aspect of English grammar, demonstrative determiners, with a special focus on the usage of that and those. Remember, mastering these will significantly enhance your English speaking and writing skills. To kick things off, let's define demonstrative determiners. These are words that identify and specify a noun or a noun phrase. In English, the demonstrative determiners are this, that, these, and those. However, today's focus will be on that and those. That is a singular demonstrative determiner used to indicate a person or thing that is further away from the speaker, or to refer to something previously mentioned or known. Here are some examples. I don't want that apple. It's too bruised. Can you see that mountain in the distance? Remember that time we went to the beach? Note how that is used to refer to specific items or instances that are not close to the speaker, physically or temporally. Moving on to those. It is the plural form of that, and is used to indicate people or things that are further away from the speaker, or to refer to something previously mentioned or known. Check out these examples. I love those shoes you're wearing. Are those stars or airplanes? Those were the days, my friend. Those is used to refer to multiple items or instances that are not close to the speaker, physically or temporally. While both that and those are used to indicate distance or reference something previously mentioned, the key distinction is that is used for singular nouns, while those is used for plural nouns. Here's a quick comparison. I like that car, referring to one car. I like those cars, referring to multiple cars. And that's it, folks. You've just learned about demonstrative determiners, specifically that and those. Remember, practice is key. Try using that and those in your daily English conversations and see the difference it makes. Happy learning, and don't forget to stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more grammar fundamentals.